Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make hot style soup from the leftover egg drop soup I have. So let's start with tofu. I love tofu, so I'm gonna, normally you just use a little bit, but I love tofu, so I'm gonna use it all. This is for myself, not for sale. I do it, so put them back in this. And sweet onions. The egg drop soup that I'll show you how to do it. That's how to do it. So you want it, if you want it hot, this right here is hot. So I'm gonna use a little bit. Let me just show you guys how much. But if you don't have it, just use the sriracha. That's hot enough right here. This thing is hot. A little bit of that. I love me and dry onions. Do some onions. When you're ready to eat. When you put in the bowl, and sprinkle some of these French onion, fried onion, crispy onion on top of it. It's good. I'll show you guys. This sriracha a little bit. That's my little bit. And this thing right here, make sure it's not dark soy sauce, dark mushroom soy sauce. It's mushroom soy sauce. This thing will make anything taste good. I mean, this thing is way better than oyster sauce or hoisin sauce. This thing is so good. I don't know, something like that. And a bit of vinegar. There you go. I don't think it's hot enough, but you know, white ground pepper. And that's boiled, so I just put this in there. Just lightly boil a little bit, and then it's all done. If you want it dark, this is right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is the other one. It's the same thing, but it's black soy sauce. But this one is good for cooking, like vegetable, you stir fry. Use this instead of oyster sauce. Some people don't like oyster sauce. Use this. And I use this to make my soup darker. A little bit. There. Then it's turned darker. because it was the black soy sauce, but it's mushroom. This is other brand of mushroom flavored dark soy sauce, but I like the other one better, but this is one that's good. I'll show you how I eat mine. I eat big bowl because this is good. And just boil it. So I love this thing. So oh yeah, that I put more. I love this thing. There you go. Enjoy.